Today we are going to remove this tree because we can see that it's damaging the compound. It has a lot of roots spreading and breaking the porch cement, so it's not an easy work. So let's see how it goes. This is a huge tree, and it needs about 2 days to get this work done. And look at the tree trunk. It's so big, and I think I will keep this for to do my landscape. It can become a stand for the pots. So it's like this now. So now we have already cemented this place, but we could not take out this trunk, so we just left it there, and we placed a big pot here, planted a neem tree in this pot, and also I moved all my bougainvilleas to this area. There's plenty of sunlight here. And now the bougainvilleas have started to bloom. Beautiful colors of bougainvillea. And this is the tree trunk which I have placed the pot on it. So now we are painting the wood, and also before that we have given a wood protection gloss so that this wood will be protected from the hot weather and also the rain. This is another piece of the trunk, and it has become a pot stand now. So this is the other part, and it has two branch, so it really looks very pretty. I have placed two pots here. Thank you for watching and take care.